Learn how to make money online. Making cash online could be achieved if you put your mind into it. Sometimes, all you need is a good computer and a connection to the internet. Just keep in mind that knowledge is the key to unlocking the internet's money-making potential. Start your education by checking out the tips presented below. Be prepared to verify who you are if you plan to make cash online. To get started working online, you will have to give personal information. You should have all your ID ready to convey digitally so that the process will be easy. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will bite. If there is a high following, you can move to a more prominent site. Make good use of your downtime. There are some things that you could do online that take very little focus. You can find a lot of them on mturk.com. Do a few tasks while you're watching television. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, however, it will help you maximize the value of your time. Check out the reviews before you hang your shingle at any one site. For example, working for Google as a search result verifier is a legit way to make some extra cash. Google is a huge company and they have a reputation to uphold, so you can trust them. To make real money online, consider launching a freelance writing career. There are numerous reputable sites that offer decent pay for video and content writing services. By checking into these options and watching feedback of each company, it really is possible to earn an income without ever leaving your home. If you like to take pictures, there are several websites where you can post them for people to purchase. This is a great way to make use of the pictures you get of nature. You simply post them into the proper category. Make certain that you understand how the rules of each site works first. Making money online is something you can't just do overnight. You have to stick to your plan and remember that perseverance will get you through the tough times. The harder you work at it, the more you will make, so steel your determination and keep watching video like this one to learn more. Whenever you hear about an interesting opportunity to earn income online, be sure to do your homework before jumping in. Given the plethora of scams and disreputable enterprises out there, it is not that hard to be taken for serious money. By watching forums and online reviews, you will be able to sift out the legitimate opportunities from the bad ones. Now that you have some great tips to think about, you are watching to start making money. The more time spent learning, the more you'll be ready to actually do it. The more you know, the more money you can make. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.